You don't need my guidance to win $100 jobs on Upwork. It's too easy. Instead, I will show you how to catch the $10,000 clients in the job feed. Like this. I completed 151 jobs on Upwork, dozens of $100 projects and many projects with a $5K to $10K budget. It took me 2 years of daily sales practice on Upwork to identify the red flags, which helped me separate the small $100 clients and target the bigger $10,000 ones. Today I'll show you how I do it. So let's go hunt for a high-ticket job together. There would be plenty to filter out along the way because of these red flags. AI-generated job descriptions. It's an instant red flag. The first step in solving any problem is to define it clearly. If a client can't invest his time to formulate his task properly, you don't have to waste yours. Swipe. The scale of completed project. If a client is used to paying peanuts for other services, you can't expect him to change his behavior overnight, especially when you see that it's not a single case but a pattern. Swipe. The average hourly rate paid. Knowing the market prices lets you understand what kind of service one can buy for a $5 per hour. It's probably a simple, repetitive job. Now, I'm not saying that this service isn't important. What I'm trying to say is that one client rarely can run long-term projects with the involvement of ultra-low paid and high-paid contractors. We are hunting for the latest, so it's a swipe. We are looking for multiple people. Those with even the slightest hiring experience know that if you want to attract the best talent, you want him to feel special. You treat him with respect regarding his previous experience. You promise him a big role in the project. But when I see a bulk hiring offer, I understand this approach is quite the opposite. It's never about big money. And it's a swipe. What do we see in feedback? The best clients know how to define the success and the failure of the collaboration with a contractor. Honesty in feedback is a form of respect. A client's feedback to freelancer says a lot about his work ethic and sometimes tells me even more than the freelancer's comments. If I see some mutual accusations, comments on vague and delayed communication, and extra work demands, I understand that you can't expect smooth collaboration here. Swipe. In search of a generalist. No one is paying a high check for basic skills. To expect high pay, you must have leverage. In most cases, this is a successful experience in a specific niche. So the absence of such a requirement equals a low-paying job. And it's swipe. Asks for free work. You can call it whatever you want. A sample, trial or test task. But to me it's a free work. I built my portfolio, collected countless feedback and testimonials, not for people who want to see for free whether I match their company vision. I would die on this hill, but people asking for a free sample are never a good fit for building good business relationships. Looking for someone to do an easy job. Words matter. Easy, minor, simple. If the client is looking for someone for this type of job, he isn't going to pay you a high check. Swipe. This work may look like a search for a gem in a bale of mud. The frustration is growing with each job you filter out. But then it happens. Clarity in description, high average check, high average hourly rate, in search of a highly skilled pro, honest feedback and good rating, specific requirements, ready to start from a paid test. It's a nice catch. Swipe! That's it. If you find this video valuable, follow the channel to not miss out following episodes. Now you know how to find high-paying clients, go watch the episode on how to write a winning cover letter.